Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that's perfect for anyone who loves to cook, grill, or bake. We found this product online and have added the link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, let's get started. Today, we're reviewing the Instant Read Meat Thermometer with dual probe. This digital cooking tool is designed to take the guesswork out of cooking meat and other foods, ensuring that you achieve the perfect doneness every time. Whether you're grilling, smoking, or baking, this thermometer is your reliable companion in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this meat thermometer is its dual safe probes, which make it incredibly versatile. This means you can use it for a variety of applications, from checking the temperature of meats to monitoring liquids, frying oils, and even candy. The wired probe is perfect for hands-free use, allowing you to monitor your food from a distance. Just set the alarm, stick it in, and step away without worrying about burning your meal. Now, let's talk about speed. The Instant Read Meat Thermometer is impressively quick, providing temperature readings in just 3 seconds. That's right, 3 seconds. This feature is especially handy when you're trying to keep things moving in the kitchen. Additionally, if you need to take a moment to assess a reading, the thermometer has a hold button that locks in the temperature, so you can easily check it without losing your place. Accuracy is another critical aspect of any cooking thermometer, and this one does not disappoint. It boasts a high accuracy range of plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit, covering temperatures from minus 58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range allows you to use it for everything from candy making to deep frying and grilling. Plus, if you ever feel like it's slightly off, you can easily recalibrate it using the cal button and an ice-water mixture. When it comes to usability, the Instant Read Meat Thermometer is designed with the user in mind. Its large 1.8-inch backlit display ensures that you can read the temperature in any lighting condition, whether it's bright sunlight or the dim ambience of your kitchen at night. The design also includes a comfortable grip and quick reference grilling temperatures right on the handle, which is a thoughtful touch for those who love to grill. For those who are always on the go or looking to save space, the built-in magnet allows for easy storage on your appliances, so you can keep it handy without cluttering your countertops. This makes it not only practical but also a great gift option for men, dads, or anyone who enjoys cooking. So, who is this thermometer suitable for? If you're a home cook, a grilling enthusiast, or someone who likes to bake and fry, this tool is made for you. It's also perfect for beginners who want to develop their cooking skills and ensure their cooking meats to the right temperature. Whether you're preparing a Sunday roast, grilling burgers for a summer barbecue, or making candies for the holidays, this thermometer is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. In practical use cases, imagine hosting a backyard barbecue and wanting to make sure your steak is perfectly medium rare. With the dual probes, you can monitor the temperature of multiple pieces of meat simultaneously without needing to constantly check. Or perhaps you're trying your hand at homemade candy, and you need to ensure the sugar reaches the right temperature for the perfect caramel. This thermometer has you covered. In conclusion, the Instant Read Meat Thermometer with dual probe is a versatile, accurate, and user-friendly tool that can elevate your cooking game. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting out, this thermometer will help you achieve perfect results every time. Thanks for watching. If this video